Thank you. Let me begin with gratitude. For where I come from, thank you is synonym for greatness. To the College of Visual and Performing Arts for this honor, thank you. 18 years ago, my grandmother gave me traditional waist beads she knew I would need today. It was the eyes of my grandma seen from where she was sitting, what I could not see from where I was standing. In 2006, UNESCO predicted that Igbo language, the language of my ancestors, spoken by over 35 million people, would die in 50 years. My waist bead chimed. Saving Igbo language of southeastern part of Nigeria became my personal project. Then came my performance art as my main collaborators. I went from school to stage, speaking and performing, to save a dying language, to rekindle within a generation the memories of its historic melodies. I braided into my performances issues ranging from social injustice to mental health. But many questioned that a college graduate was performing in a dying language and wondered what I would become. That experience taught me about the hard process of becoming in life and how that process can be doubly traumatic for artists of all kinds as society becomes even more mundane. But true art is always finally vindicated. Today, I stand before you as that vindication. Here, I have received hugs and handshakes from people who do not understand the language of my art, but feel its connection with their souls. But still, today is not just about me. It is about all of us getting hooded today. It is about our human connection, about how you can create your own story out of the brutal social blockade, about the intersection between art, social good, and the internet, about the value of our education and humanity and the validity of our dreams. But remember this, life is about becoming. Constantly becoming. As noted by the great American philosopher John Dewey, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Life is a journey. At every end is another beginning. An Igbo adage goes, "Ihe niile nwere mbido nwere ngwụcha." It means that everything with the propensity of a beginning has the power of an ending. To every graduating student of Syracuse University, congratulations. To our academic mentors, the dean, our dear faculty chairs, professors, and all non-academic staff, you made this dream come true. You are a proof of the African spirit of Ubuntu. I am because you are. In my native tongue, we call it Igwebike, power in collective strength. VPA has proven to be that institutional environment that speaks proudly of human diversity, without which art, as a universal symbol of human connection, cannot be possible. Thank you. But before I leave, may I leave with you the spirit of my entire village in few seconds of Igbo African chant as an invitation into the path to becoming. Ugo buzu wa chake wozo akufecha nuwo dalawo. Ọkwa ndị be anyị na-asị n'ọnwa bụ ihe ije eji chụ aja na-emechi opome o. Ma chi nwanza akwụsị ikuri egwu, nwanza agaghị akwụsị igbe egwu. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Amarachi.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Fuka fuka